my channel. I have such a special announcement to make. I am announcing channel memberships. Yay! I just want to talk a little bit about the channel memberships, what the different levels are, what you can expect if you decide to become a channel member. Before I even get started, I just want to make this very clear. You're not required to do channel memberships. These are optional. It does take a lot of time and money to be a creator on YouTube. So channel memberships are a way for us to be able to supplement and me to be able to buy all of the wigs that I review, all of the camera equipment. I spend countless hours of research, editing, just everything. I just want to make this clear, it is optional. Just think about channel memberships, not even just mine, but in general. If your favorite YouTuber is offering a channel membership, please think about maybe, just doing the base level. And the reason I say this is just because, the truth of the matter is we pay for a lot of things. Hulu, Magellan, your cable. We pay for a lot of different subscriptions like audiobooks. You can easily watch my videos for free. You don't even have to be a subscriber, for free. But the fact of the matter is, I'm a single working mother and I'm using channel memberships so that I can keep up the level of content on my channel. I put a lot of time and effort into my channel. I'm very proud of that. I really listen to my subscribers. I try to give them as much as I can. In order to do that, I do need to supplement a little bit because, if not, then I do have to dial it back. I don't want to do that for myself. I certainly don't want to do that for you. So this is just a supplemental way. It's part of the YouTube platform. It's a tool for us here, as opposed to having to do Patreon or things like that, where I would be uploading on a completely different platform. This way it'll help me to continue all of the level of stuff you're already getting, and then some very special and exciting extras if that is what you choose. So let's get into what the different levels are. Level number 1 is official channel member. That's $1.99 a month. You can cancel anytime. So any of these that you want to do, if you just want to do it for 1 month or multiple months, that's totally up to you. You'll get shout outs in my videos, okay? And you will have member only live chats with me. So that's really exciting, especially if you just have a specific question. I'm really, really good at answering questions. I make that a priority. As the channel grows, I may not be able to do that as much as I do now. So being a channel member, being an official channel member will make sure that your questions get answered. Level 2 is an all access member, okay, and this is $4.99 a month, and it includes all of the stuff that you would get from the first level. You also would get member only live streams, and I would really have those be dictated by the channel members, what they want to see in the live stream. And you'd also get video voting You'd also get video voting power. I do pre-film, so I do have a lot of videos that are either pre-filmed, already edited, waiting. So you guys will basically get sneak peeks as well, because I will offer up votes as to what I should be putting out when. Level number 3 is the wig review member. This is for the people who really would like a particular wig to be reviewed. I always take requests. I do as much as I can, but I only buy wigs in a certain rotation. Sometimes someone really wants a particular wig reviewed. It's $24.99, okay, per month. If you want one every month, that's great. If you want, a specific one just for this month, okay, that's also great. It includes all the perks from levels 1 and 2. You would get one specific wig review request per month. So if you request a wig and you are a wig review member, I would purchase that wig specifically in the color that you wanted, and that review would be up within that month. You'd get a personal thank you as well in the review. If there's particular questions or styling or something you'd like me to do to the wig, you can also put that in the request as well. But this would more guarantee that your wig review would happen in a more timely fashion. Level 4 is the wig coaching member. Again, you can do wig coaching once a month. You can do wig coaching once if there is something that you would like to know. I do get a lot of people who want these wig coaching from me. I'm working on a way that I can do that. This is sort of the way that I feel I can do wig coaching the best. Hopefully I'll be able to branch out, but for now I think this is the best way to do it, and it's all sort of in one place, easy to manage for me. But wig coaching is $49.99 a month. Again, you can do that just one time and cancel. If you want it every single month, that's up to you. If you want it a couple times a year, again, these are all up to you and they are not required. Wig coaching member, you get everything from level 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so you're getting the wig review, you're getting the personal thing, you're getting all that, live chats, all that, voting power. Okay, why do I keep saying powder? Voting power. You're getting personal wig coaching. That's going to include me giving you wig suggestions. It's also going to include me doing wig availability research, pricing comparisons, and then again, you do get to pick a wig for me to review, but it also is going to include personal wig instruction, whether that's a video chat call, a regular internet call. Like, we'll determine between the two of us what is the best way to do that. If you get the wig and you would like to have me sort of be there and help you, we can do that through video chat. I can walk you through certain steps, give you tips and tricks. So that's going to be all included in the wig coaching membership. So yeah, if you have any questions, please put that down below. If there's some things you would like to see in the memberships that aren't there, also put that down below. I'm totally open to that. Again, I just want to really reiterate, this is a part of the YouTube platform. This is a way for us to be able to support our channels, and it's a way for you to support your favorite creators so that they can continue to create. Additionally, these are optional. You don't even have to subscribe to my channel to watch. You're gonna get everything, my daily upload, I upload every single day. You're gonna get all those, plus everything in the levels of whatever you choose. I really appreciate everyone who has supported me. I'm looking forward to some wonderful content, lists and lists of ideas. I'm gonna continue to do that. I just want to make sure that I'm offering a service to all of the people that support me. If they would like a little something extra, if they would like a little something more personal, that they have the availability to do that. There you go. That's my announcement. I'm so excited. Again, if you have any questions, comments, what have you, I just ask you to please keep it positive. I will just delete it if it is too negative. And yeah, if you have subscribed, please do so. And if you want to be a channel member, do. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.